Pretty little black skin girl, pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty, Caribbean cutie.
Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. So here on this channel, I make videos about living an overall natural and holistic lifestyle, and that includes food, skincare, women's health, pregnancy, postpartum care, motherhood, natural parenting, and just about anything else I decide to share on my journey. So I realized I never recorded an intro for this video, so I decided to just record a quick intro so that the video doesn't start abruptly. But as you can see by the title, I'll be sharing my process of taking a postpartum herbal bath, as well as some tips and benefits to taking our postpartum herbal bath. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick video and that you find it useful and informative, and you guys will see me in my next video. Peace. So this is day 1 postpartum. That's how I'm looking. Raggedy, I don't care. But I'm about to do a herbal postpartum bath and sit in it, help with the soreness and the healing of, you know, that area down there. I just showed all the herbs that I'm putting in the bath. I don't have an actual bathtub in this house, so I'm using the birthing pool instead, so that it's nice and big enough for me to sit in it and soak. And I'm gonna dab the herbs all over my body. I'll give you guys more actual benefits of doing a herbal postpartum bath in another clip, but I'm tired. So I am about to do a herbal bath in this birthing pool. These are my herbs. I have fresh basil and a mixture of the herbs we put together for the placenta. So it has chamomile, lavender, rosemary, thyme, spearmint, and then there are, I put this in there. So just letting that steep for a while, and then we're gonna add all of it to the pool, and I'm gonna sit in it and dab the herbs all over my body. Nice herbal postpartum bath. Okay, here's how we looking so far with our herbal bath. Yes, it may look nasty, but what is nasty really? Okay, it's just herbs. And I'm about to add my rose petals, some rose petals, and some lavender flowers. This smells so good. Like, it smells so good in here. I'm about to enjoy every minute of this. And no, I did not do all of this by myself. My mother and my partner did all of this. Because of course, I'm resting, right? Hey gems, so I just wanted to share with you all some of the benefits of doing a herbal postpartum bath. I did my postpartum bath the day after I gave birth, simply because I was way too tired to do it the day of. I was already in bed, settled with my newborn, and I was like, yeah, I'm not getting back out of bed. So I did it the day after. However, postpartum herbal baths are an excellent way to help soothe any soreness and tenderness that occurs after giving birth. It helps heal inflamed tissues and tears, as well as help to reduce hemorrhoids. Overall, it's a great way to pamper yourself and relax your mind and body after working so hard during labor and delivery. My herbal bath was kind of like a DIY. I just used a mixture of most of the herbs I already had on hand, such as basil, thyme, rosemary, chamomile, calendula, lavender, and rose. I could have also added some soursop leaves, mango leaves, and papaya leaves. However, I wasn't thinking at the moment, but if you live on the islands or you have one of those fruit trees in your yard, feel free to add them to your herbal bath and reap those benefits as well. There's also herbal bath mixes you can purchase that are ready to just open and add to your hot water. And some of those herbal baths, well, most of them that you purchase online or from somebody you know, will contain plantain leaf, yarrow flower, comfrey, and uva ursi. I think I'm pronouncing that one right. And those are great for inflammation, swelling, and heavy bleeding. The herbal bath sets that I showed in a previous clip also contains some of those herbs that I just mentioned, so I was able to reap the benefits of that as well. However, that wasn't specifically a herbal bath mixture. It was a herbal sitz where you wet it, freeze it, and then not sit on it, but apply it to your vaginal area and allow it to compress. However, I didn't want to do that, so I just add the entire tea bag to my bath water, to my herbal bath, and reap the benefits that way. And I think it came with about 4 or 5 in a pack, so you're supposed to be able to use it 4 or 5 times, but I just add the whole box to my herbal bath, and it was amazing. So ladies, if you're thinking about taking or doing a herbal postpartum bath, don't think twice, do it. It is very relaxing, very soothing, and it definitely helps to ease any soreness and tenderness that occurs after giving a vaginal birth. So that's about it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it informative. To everyone watching, remember to protect your peace by any means necessary. And to all my melanated women out there, protect your womb by any means necessary. I wish you all love, light, and prosperity, and you all will see me in my next video. Peace.
And you deserve it. All this is perfect. An instant magic in everything you do. Is not nerves perfect.